How to return products on Amazon. Got a product that you want to return? This guide shows you how to return products on Amazon so you can get a refund. First, open the Amazon shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on your orders to see the list of all the orders that you have done. You'll see the status of each order, whether it's shipped, delivered, or in transit. Find the item that you want to return and tap on Return or Replace Items button next to it. You'll need to select the reason for the return and whether you want a refund or a replacement. Once you have selected a reason, you'll be able to continue. Amazon will give you a few options for returning the item, like dropping it off at a shipping center or having it picked up. Once you've selected a method, you'll see a return label that you'll need to print and attach to the package. Once the item is received, you'll get a refund. You now know how to return products on Amazon. Get ready to get a refund. Like and subscribe for more app tips.